Hello friends, today we'll see how the top 5 US companies has evolved over the years. So starting from 2014 till 2020, the last 7 years, we could have gone even beyond 2014, just 2010 or 2005 or so. Uh, but there has been a significant shift happened in last 7 years. That's the reason I have taken this 7 years. So there has been a lot, like a lot of tech companies are there in the top five spot now. But how it happened, at which was the pivotal year when all these shift happened. So we'll talk through that when we go through this timeline to find out which are the top five companies in the last 7 years. So starting with 2014, we have Apple at the top of the list with $560 billion of market cap. ExxonMobil with $432 billion was the second largest in terms of the market cap in 2014. Google was at third spot at $358 billion. Microsoft at fourth spot with $340 billion. Berkshire Hathaway's $312 billion was at the the fifth spot. Now, when it comes to 2015, the there's a bit of a shift of ExxonMobil from second to the third spot. Microsoft moved from fourth to the second spot, and Apple remained at the top spot with $722 billion, and Berkshire Hathaway at $336 billion was at the fifth spot. So it wasn't changing much from 2014 to 2015. These companies were there, just a bit of change in the rankings. So nothing much happened in these 2 years. But when you go to 2016, you start seeing, uh, I shouldn't say new entrant, but renaming of a entrant already, which is Google, who is renamed to Alphabet, is the parent company. So Apple remained at top spot, Alphabet at second, Microsoft at third, ExxonMobil at fourth, and Berkshire at third, fifth. So 2014, 15, 16, these five companies just remained at the top five spots. Just maybe their ordering got changed, but over and above everything was the same. But when it comes to 2017, as you see, it is where the shift really happened in the 2017, as the big oil and gas companies just didn't find a spot starting 2017. As you can see, ExxonMobil is no more in the top five spot. Rather, the company that took its spot is Amazon with a market cap of $466 billion. Apple Inc. continued to be at the top spot. So, 4 out of the 5 companies were tech companies in 2017. But the most important year in the market came in 2018 when all the 5 companies are tech companies. Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, Facebook. All 5 are tech companies, and that started in the year 2018. So that's the pivotal year when all these companies are tech companies. Apple remained at top spot with $909 billion. Amazon is a huge hit with $824 billion. Facebook is a new entrant in 2018 with $562 billion. So this I should say is the turning point in the history of the US market when all top 5 companies are uh, in the top 5 list. And when it comes to 2019, again, those are the same set of companies which are there. Microsoft for some duration was at the top spot, but this was related to Q2 of 2019. But if you just take a different time frame, probably will see a different ranking. But all the companies remained more or less same. And 2020, again, the 5 companies are all tech companies, again the same, but the market cap just increased like anything. It is 1.57 trillion for Apple. Microsoft is 1.55 trillion dollars. Amazon is 1.43 trillion dollars. Alphabet 0.979 trillion, and Facebook at 0.675 trillion dollars. So, as you can see, Apple from $560 billion in 2014 almost tripled in 7 years to $1.57 trillion in market cap. That's almost 3 times of market cap. And if you look at all these 5 companies combined, they almost have a market cap of close to $7 trillion, which is much higher than the GDP of some of the countries, and I should say even some of the continents have do not have this level of GDP. So the kind of impact the tech companies are making is pretty huge, and they are really controlling the world now. And in a sense, they are really even running the US market, being the top five. We never know what is their valuation going to be in future. It can even touch $2 3 trillion, $3 trillion. We never know, right? So, but this is the shift that you can see in these markets. And moreover, I'll also create some of the videos related to the Indian stock market, how Indian stock market or the top five companies in India evolved over the years is something I'll create again. That also I'll create a video on how Indian top five compares to the US top five in different markets like Nasdaq and NSE and those kind of comparisons. So all those videos will be coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe the channel and click the bell button so that you get a notification when I upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching my channel.